Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Geri Del Vento and I am so pumped and excited that you're tuning in to today's video. Yes, as you can see, we're in a different part of the house and this is my family room where we spend a lot of our time here. Well, my kids do and my husband does. He watches the news and some sports in the evening. Call it the white room because we have a white couch and pretty much all the decoration is pretty neutral and white. But I have this little corner that I'm gonna be revamping, and I'm gonna be revamping it with paint. Yup, just paint. And I got these colors, a Sherwin Williams, some arches and some circles, and just kind of like different types of shapes. That would be the best way to explain it. Different types of shapes, and I'm gonna do them in these colors. And then this is how I'm gonna make my shapes, guys. I'm gonna show you, these are my materials. I'm using string, a pencil so I can draw the arches pretty well, a lampshade. So, ongoing project, and I cannot wait to show you the final product. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this little corner revamp. Come on, let's get to work. I'm gonna do the big arch first with Chelsea Mauve. That's my first color, which is right here. And you see how different it looks? Go a tone lighter than what you see on that. Lighting is different at the store, lighting is different in your home. But I always go a shade darker, a shade lighter than what I see on the paper, if that makes any sense. Ooh, so nice.
It's really hard.
It's hard?
Mm-hmm. Like I can't.
Coat one for both. We finished just the first coat on the little second arch, and wanted to test out the paint. Then it got carried away. Now I have to tape it to really create a good circle. Alright, this is the final product. We finally finished. Love the color palette. Love how it turned out. Just going to give it some final touches there in the corner at the bottom. But the circle was a little tricky. Had to repaint it, and there were some imperfections. I'm a perfectionist, so it had to be perfect for me. But we are super happy with it, and I think it just gives the corner something. It spices it up, you know? And the reality hands are so cool, guys. These things are awesome. You can use them for different things, to hold different things, even to hold keys, I've seen. I just put some dry florals and candles, but yeah, we love it. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, guys.